how can you get holiday visitation when you do not have a formal custody order? The only way to get holiday visitation when you do not have a formal custody order is to come up with a verbal agreement, or even an agreement that you write down with your ex-partner, ex-spouse, the children's other parent, and y'all come to an agreement as to what you would like to see happen. I think the best way to approach this would be to remind the other partner about some of your family's traditions. If everybody gets together at Aunt Maud's house on Christmas Day at 4 p.m., more than likely your ex-partner went to that event when y'all were together, and hopefully maybe has positive memories of it, and would see why you would want your children to continue to go to Aunt Maud's celebration, even though the ex-partner is now not going to go because y'all are not together. I think framing it as what you would like to do and which family events are scheduled when is better than maybe just saying, well, I'd like to have them Christmas Day at 3 o'clock when you don't have a formal order. Try to make them realize what you want to do and why it would be best for the children to come and see whichever cousins or grandparents are going to be at these events. The earlier you start talking about when the events are scheduled and who's going to be there and when you would like to have the children, the better it will be, because it'll allow the other partner to see what their family events are and when they are going to be. Not every family does the same thing at the same time every year, and some don't plan as far out as others. And so the sooner that you and your partner can talk about what your family's plans are going to be, which may mean your family needs to start solidifying those plans a little earlier than they used to, the easier it'll be to come to an agreement. And then if you can come to an agreement for 1 year, maybe you can come to an agreement for the next year, where you create a rotating schedule where one parent has the first half, say from the day school gets out till Christmas Day at 3 p.m., and the other parent has the second half of the holiday from Christmas Day at 3 p.m. to the day before school resumes. That would give each of you 1 week, and you could try to schedule your family's events during your weeks, either before Christmas or after Christmas, every year that you could count on. So trying to come up with a formal schedule that you can follow each year and that rotates each year is the best way to do it. And the earlier you start talking about it, and if you frame it as whose event it's going to be and how much fun it'll be for the kids, it may be easier to come to an agreement.